It's Deborah here, and today we're going to be attempting the elusive ghost swirl. This will be the first time that I'm doing this. I'm going to be using my Bastille recipe, so wish me luck, and let's get to making some soap. Okay, bugs, so I am going to be restocking my cocoa and olive bar, or Bastille as our soapy friends would know it as. And to save time, I just divvied up my base oils into 2 equal portions in these buckets. We have our lye solutions in this little tub and this tub. And today we're just making a pure soap. We're going to be attempting the Ghost Swirl. And no, this is not my brainchild, but it is known by Mama Clara. So today we are going to be attempting it. Since I've been doing cold process, I've been thinking about different ways I could be more creative and other things that I could do. Not saying that I couldn't do it with hot process, because I actually did, but now I'm just into the cold process type thing. So we're going to dump in our lye solutions, mix these babies up, pour them, and we'll come back tomorrow for the cut, hopefully. Usually my soaps don't take that long to harden up, so we'll see what happens. I'm going to mix these babies up. First, I'm going to put on my mask, so if I sound a little muffled, then that's what it is. Nobody's kidnapping me. I just have on my face mask, and now I'm putting on my goggles, and we're going to get into this soap. Now, this one is the majority of the water, so this is going to be the gelled soap, if you will. And I'm going to get my sieve. Sorry about that. Has a couple of little floaty guys in here, and I just want to make sure that that's nice and thick, by the way. It's like a cake consistency, almost like cake batter. And I'm going to do an in the pot ghost swirl. So I'm going to take this bucket, which is our non-gelled soap, and we're going to pour it into several spots. In the other bucket, this side, and then we're just going to scrape the rest down and out into the middle. And get all this goodness out of here. And you guys, I actually did catch up on American Horror Story. And if you are a fan and you've been watching, it was kind of annoying me because I was really trying to figure out why the heck nobody knew that this guy was like the devil or demon or the Antichrist spawn. Like, what is going on? But they finally figured it out once Misty came back. And thank goodness for her that she has the power of discernment. She goes off of her intuition, and the rest of these people are just plain old crazy because they didn't know what was going on. So tomorrow is episode 6, and I cannot wait to see what happens. So we're going to go across, like we're doing an asterisk, twist, and down the middle. And that's it. And now we're going to pour. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.